Panotis lang mga Lods, sa inatinang kong kasal, iisa lang ang isinuot kong barong. Ito panoorin natin. Ito pa isa.
I will be here. You can cry on my shoulder when the mirror deals over. I will hold you, and I will be here to watch you grow with beauty.
At ito naman ang isa.
In the dark will side of love, hold my hand and I will feel. 'Cause I will be here.
O diba iisa lang yung puti na barong na gusot mayaman. Sino kaya susunod? Parang next year malapit na rin. Thank you for watching. See ya.